Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. I've showed you how to make this skirt very long time ago. I've showed you how to make the skirt, how to make a flounce, and how to line them both. This is how the lining of the flounce looks like. I've realized that I haven't showed you the result. It would disappoint me if I don't get a chance to see a finished item. Have a look at the skirt. It was made of strong cotton. And there is a flounce in it. The flounce was lined with cambric. There were also pockets in this skirt. The most interesting detail in this skirt is the flounce. I hope that it's clear how to attach a flounce to a skirt. I've showed you how to do it. Don't be lazy. Watch the video several times. I think that the skirt is amazing. Even though it was made on the basis of the classic pencil skirt, it looks absolutely different. What I want you to understand is that you can change lines and designs however you like. The fact that I show you this design doesn't mean that you have to copy it. Use your imagination. Add any details you like. You can cut a flounce in any direction. I think that this skirt is amazing. Their skirts will look good on different types of bodies. You can make long skirt, short one, or midi. Notice that the length of the flounce is almost the same as of the skirt itself. You can make it as long as you want. I want you to love flounces. Make them in skirts, blouses, and dresses. Make them of any form, length, and flare. You can even add one more flounce above this one. Use your imagination. I want you to know that flounces look really good on tops and blouses. You can make a simple blouse and decorate it with flounce. It will look amazing. Flounces make all items look absolutely different. Blouses, skirts, dresses, and so on. I'm glad I decided to show you how this skirt looks like. Be different and beautiful. And remember that practice makes perfect. Don't be lazy and don't be afraid of experiments. My name is Paukshte Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.